Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Reno 14. Open Settings and confirm Color OS is updated, then enable the AI call feature in the phone app. Grant microphone and speaker permissions now so the assistant can record and play audio. Make sure you have at least 3 Mbps on Wi-Fi or 4G for reliable transcription. Once done, sign into your Oppo ID and toggle AI Call Assistant on. This avoids permission errors later, and it sets the system-level access the assistant needs to process calls in real time. Next, you configure how the assistant handles calls. In Phone App AI Assistant settings, pick Auto Answer or Manual Activation, choose Live Transcription and Suggestion options, and set your preferred language. Adjust voice model and noise reduction to match your environment, and review privacy settings for local or cloud processing. Then run a short test call to confirm captions, summaries, and action prompts appear. If the AI mishears, change noise reduction or switch to another language model. This fine-tunes accuracy before. During a real call, use on-screen suggestions. Tap to send a message, set a reminder, or save a summary. You control what the AI does, and it learns your preferences. After the call, save transcripts or recordings to files or notes, and manage storage so you don't run out of space. If something goes wrong, reboot your phone, recheck microphone and storage permissions, and reset AI assistant settings as needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if transcription consistently fails, switch processing from cloud to local to reduce latency and privacy conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.